Hey, scrappy people. Traci Reed here today, coming at you with an unboxing of my brand new line for Echo Park paper. It is called Sunkissed. Yes, I know I had a digital line last year named Sunkissed. I wasn't in charge of naming this line, so I got two Sunkissed collections now, but luckily they're both very different. So when they asked me to design a summer line, my first instinct was sort of a backyard pool party sort of theme. I feel like a lot of times with summer lines, they are very travel, beach, tropical oriented. And while I love those lines and those themes, I've designed many of them. They're some of my favorites to design. I need something that's closer to staying home, diving in the pool, grilling in the backyard, that kind of vibe. So that is where I went with the Sunkissed collection. It is a full-size collection. It is very fun. I'm gonna start with the some of the smaller bits so that we can get them off of the table, and then we will check out the larger things. So there are two washi tapes in this collection. We've got suns and we've got little, what is that there? Little flowers here. Enamel dots, so you can kind of see the color palette. The brads, so you can see there are lemonades and fruity drinks, watermelon. There is a beach umbrella, some sunglasses, and it says Sunkissed, sweet sunshine. And I always love the gems and the pearls. They're always my faves. Then we have the puffy stickers. So here are some more of the icons. There are cute bathing suits. This guy with some sunglasses on. Summer is a state of mind. I've got sunshine. Fruits all over the place. Mason jars, or actually that's a milk bottle. Fruity drinks, splishy splashies. Ice cream. Super fun. All right, next, let's check out the dies since they're right here. There are 4 different dies for this collection. So we've got the sunglasses and the sun. Then there is a plain sun with some clouds. Mr. Pineapple with his sunglasses. Monstera leaves. You know what? Monstera leaves are gonna come in handy just for this plant mom. There are 3 stencils. So here's a sort of wavy stripe, an actual wave, and a scattered floral. 2 stamp sets. So Mr. Pineapple, there is a popsicle, outlined flowers, lots and lots of words. So good times and tan lines, life is sweet, sun-kissed, enjoy the day, good vibes, sunshine, eat, sleep, swim, repeat. And then this one has the sun, some more outlines here, sunshine, sweet, soaking up the sunshine, a slice of summer, shine, 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 dive on in, a happy life. Got ice cream on this one and a watermelon. Super cute. Okay, chipboard. Here are the chipboard accents. So we've got lots and lots of icons here. I love this beach bag with all of the goodies in it. Here's the grill, hot dog, picnic. So, you know, lots and lots of fun designs that can be used for many local things, but also the beach, if you're going to the beach, if you're lucky enough. So we've got beach, picnic, park, barbecue, poolside. Loved this day. 2 different swimsuits, summer lovin', lots of fruit, some floral clusters. Here are the chipboard phrases. So we've got summer across the top, good times and tan lines. If I can't wear flip-flops, I'm not going. Shine, shine, shine. Life is sweet. Good vibes. I've got summer on my mind. I live for sunny days and warm nights. Let's grill. Fresh squeezed lemonade. Beach. Sunshine. There is a popsicle over here. The sign. What shall we do today? Hot, hot, hot. We've got it made in the shade. All right. Ooh, what is that? I don't know. So here is the color palette, the brights in this collection. There are also paler colors, but we've got pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, blue. These are the solids. Here is the actual paper pad. So it comes with 12 double-sided papers and a 12 by 12 element sticker. Of course, 4 of the double-sided papers, bunch of them. have journaling cards on them. So cute. Oh, I love the color palette for this. I'm so happy with how it turned out. So here's our mixed bag sort of poolside paper. We've got pool floats and hats and bathing suits and flip-flops and the sign and all of these noodles and it's just like everything, right? All of the things of summer. On the other side is a wavy blue stripe. Here is the 3x4 sheet. We've got shine, 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 pool party, life is sweet. You'll find me poolside, summer fun, fresh squeezed lemonade. I dream of summers that never end. There is nothing quite like the magic of a summer night. Heat wave, good times and tan lines. Food is better from the grill. The other side is a beautiful rainbow wavy stripe. Here's a cute tropical floral for this collection. On the other side is a deep, deep pink, almost red gingham, looking like a picnic blanket. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love how it came out. So we've got alternating popsicles and ice cream cones. I love that stripe. That came out so fun. Then a crisscrossy sort of plaid on orange. Here are the 4x4s. It's gonna be a bright, bright, bright sunshiny day. Summer lovin', beach, picnic, park, barbecue, poolside, beach bound. The tans may fade, but the summer memories will last forever. Parties out back, sweet summer sips. Everything is fine in the sunshine. And then another journaling card. The other side, the other side is just the popsicles. Another really fun pattern. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun. And a gorgeous plaid. Oh, man, this came out better than I had hoped. I love it. We've got banners on white with polka dots and gingham in the banners. Bright yellow polka dot on the other side. Summer is a state of mind. These are the 4x6s. Summer, summer, summertime. Time to sit back and unwind. Sweet summer treats. Having a blast with, I keep wanting to say hot air balloons with, oh my gosh, water balloons. There we go. We've got the fruit over here. The other side is a nice delicate floral. Words, words, everywhere words. So shine, shine, shine. Flip-flop season is here. Hit the beach, chill out, good vibes, grillin' and chillin', splish splash. I'm on summertime, summer heat, feeling breezy, picnic, sun-kissed, sunny days, dive in, summer lovin', lots and lots of words. And then there are little tiny icons as well. Ice cream, we all scream for ice cream. So we've got floaties floating in the pool and it is like intentionally messed up. Like they're bumping off of each other in the pool and they're not like perfectly spaced. Came out so fun. Confetti dot. Here is the multi-sized journaling card. So we've got two vertical 4x6s. One is a journaling card. The other one, it says staying cool by the pool. There are 4 horizontal 3x4s. So a slice of summer, 2 journaling cards, nothing but blue skies. And then there are 12 2x2s, flip-flop season, hot sun, playtime, berry sweet, let's sit and sip a while, splish splash, good vibes, dive in, life's a picnic, just chill, summer, grill and chill. Other side has a sort of a dot out of those beach umbrellas. Fruit, a whole page of just adorable fruit. So cute. And another, this one's sort of hexagons with those flowers. It's kind of hard. If you squint, you can see the hexagons. And then the 12x12 sticker sheet. Tons of icons. We've got titles over that wood grain. So it's beat the heat, dive in, cool off, summer sunshine, party lights out back. There's the water balloons, picnic table, the grill, some food, an actual pool, little scallop down here on the bottom, just chill, pool party, tons of fun things. Look at all these icons. I drew a lot for this collection. Okay, next, here's the 6x6 paper pad. Let's just peel this plastic off. Get off there, tape. So the 6x6 paper pad always has smaller versions of the same print. Sometimes they're different colors. Sometimes, not always, but sometimes they are. Get off my finger. And then it also has sized down journaling cards too. So here is that multi-paper. Summertime, summer fun, life is sweet. So this is like a whole title. Sorry. A whole title. There's a border there. Life is sweet. Pool wave, floral, 2x2s. Oh, I love this plaid so much. It's so cute. Summer lovin', sweet summer sips. The tans may fade, but summer memories will last forever. There's nothing quite like the magic of a summer night. I love this. I just love this line so much, you guys. It's so cute. It came out so much better than I'd hoped. So fun. Oh, I love these little labels. Look at that watermelon label. Fruit. And then we start over with the same pattern. So you get 2 copies of each. Sticker book, always my favorite. Oof, let's open this up. So we've got my standard, how I like to do my sticker books is the first 4-ish pages are all icons. So we've got all of the pictures, all of the illustrations from the collection in the first 4 pages. Love these pools. I love pink lemonade. So anything you could want from this collection are in these sticker books on these pages. And then the next one is going to be like titles or journaling labels. This one is like word art titles. Bring me all the poolside fruity drinks. Poolside, chasing the sun, so bright, sun-kissed, dive on in, so fun, slice of summer, sunshine, enjoy the day, soaking up the sunshine and look on the sunny side. Then a whole sheet of word bits in color and in like the black and white type labels. 2 different sets of alphabets. We got blue and pink here. And then a sheet of borders, so scallops and straight edges. And also we've got all of these fun umbrellas too. And then it starts over. Lastly, but not leastly, frames and tags and ephemera. There are 34 of each on both of these. Yep. Oof, oof, oof. Okay. So we got a little lemon here. Grill Master. Make lemonade. Heat wave. Popsicle. Treat yourself. So sweet. It's always happy hour by the pool. Good times and tan lines. Pool hours. Is it hot? Dive in. We all scream for ice cream. It's on. I want to soak up the sun. So blissful. Let's seize this summer day. Summer, summer, summertime. Baby, it's hot, hot, hot outside. The beach is calling and I must go. This one is a frame with this in the center, so you can leave it as a frame, so you have like a framed sentiment, or you can pop it out and use the frame. The summers of our youth are best spent communing with the sunshine. Stay cool. These memories are forever. Sit back and relax, again with the frame that you can pop out. Label. Ain't no party like a backyard party. Happy day. Shine on, sunshine. Summer fun. What a beautiful day for a picnic. Take a dip and love these long summer nights. All right, one more thing to check out. Are you loving this line as much as I am? I cannot wait to use it. We have a pool this summer. It's the first time we've ever had a pool. And I am super excited to sit by it, take lots of pictures, and then use this line to scrapbook them. Okay, frames and tags. There's lots of little bits in here as well. So we've got another, that one's like a grapefruit. We've got a strawberry and a monstera leaf, a little water balloons, no worries, beach ball. There is a sun, summer vibes, the sweet life. Let's dine al fresco today. The best memories are made in flip-flops. Delicious, irresistible, and refreshing. Sunkissed, splish splash. So cute. Summertime sweetness. Fresh squeezed lemonade. Frame. Summer magic inside. All my frames are already popped out. Wonder why. Somebody must have opened these up before they sent them to me. You'll find me in the sunshine. Choose your own adventure with the sign. Sometimes I amuse myself. The summers of our youth are best spent communing with sunshine. Dive in. Pool party. This was memorable. Keeping cool in the pool. Lazy, hazy, and crazy warm summer days. Refreshing. And then 2 frames. So that is the Sunkissed collection, my latest line for Echo Park paper. It is available wherever Echo Park is sold. You can check out your local scrapbook store. My local scrapbook store, if you want to shop small, it's called Scrappin' in the City, and they do deliver all over, so you can order from them, or you can shop somewhere like scrapbook.com and order there as well. All right, if you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you if you don't already. You can follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Traci M. Reed. I'd love to see you over there as well. And I will see you next time. Thank you.